Despite its compact 8-inch frame, this subwoofer capably handles an impressive 300 watts of continuous power, with peaks reaching up to 900 watts. The S2-W8D4 is engineered to reproduce remarkably deep low-end frequencies, with a response range that extends all the way down to 23 Hertz for a truly impactful listening experience. Its cone, constructed from a hybrid of carbon fiber and polypropylene, provides the ideal combination of rigidity and low mass for clean, accurate, and distortion-free bass. Featuring a dual 4-ohm voice coil design, this subwoofer offers excellent wiring flexibility, allowing it to be easily configured for either a 2-ohm or an 8-ohm load to match your amplifier perfectly. Installation is made straightforward thanks to simple configuration jumpers and a convenient twist-lock mounting system for an optional protective grille. This subwoofer is designed for optimal synergy within the Alpine ecosystem, pairing seamlessly with S-series amplifiers to power 1, 2, or even 4 units for a cohesive and powerful sound system.